CNC stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday and onward is Centene stock buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. I mean, genuinely speaking, kind of my whole watch list is red except CELC, and I guess this is just part of the game because my idea on this was so on point. Like, I wanted it to come pump up and give me a double break so I can take it down. It did exactly that, but it just never gave me the double break so I can get involved. I mean, if I pop up here, the new supply zone is going to be exactly the same with exactly the same bearish market. It's just that the only thing that's going to make me be bullish on CNC is a proper full candle close above, like I'm talking 2880 or something like that close. Other than that, it's just some bearish, and I have all these other tickers on the right. So that's how it's looking like for me. And if you want to stay tuned to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.